If you're a content creator or just into videography and you're trying to make your videos look more professional without turning your office into a full-blown studio like mine is right now, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm breaking down the Neewer MS60 mini LED video light, a light I bought with my own money, and I'm testing it out specifically as a key light for me in my office and hopefully on set for videography. No sponsorship, no brand script, just an honest review from someone that doesn't have money like that, so he's trying all the cheap stuff. By the end of this video, hopefully you know whether this is something you should purchase or if you should look for something else. And I'm sure that's gonna go for me too. For me, lighting wasn't something I always figured out. When I first started, I was using those Amazon generic lights, the ones that come with the one bulb and the umbrella, the white umbrella on the other side. They worked technically, but the light was harsh, color was inconsistent, and every video felt like I was just fighting my shadow. After that, I got gifted a set of 3 lights, and it's the ones that come with the 4 bulbs. I don't remember what the bulbs are called, but the ones with the spiral, yeah, I had those. And it came with like a reflective inside and then a white diffusion for the outside. I'm still using them to this day, and honestly, thank God I have them, because if I still was using them umbrellas, I don't know what I would do. They were definitely upgraded from the umbrella. More brightness, better coverage, but still not great control. That's when I realized lighting isn't just about more bulbs, it's about being consistent and being able to actually control your lighting. Once I understood that, I knew I needed a real light and something built for video, because I'm not gonna lie, the umbrella light, I feel like it's pretty much for photographers, but hey, I had to use what I had. I didn't want another photography kit when I'm trying to do videography. I wanted something small enough for the office, but still powerful enough to be used outside and simple enough to use every day. That's what led me to the MS60. All I've done so far is just cut the tape, open it up just to make sure everything was there. I'm not gonna lie, packaging's cool. Comes with a bag and a bag. As you can see, here's the bag. Dope. Let me take the bag out the bag. Got a little carrying case, a little bit of Velcro to hold the strap together. So zip, see what it's talking about. Obviously, we got the manual, we got the app, and what it comes with. Put that to the side, right? Obviously, first thing we got in the bag is the light. Put that to the side for now. We got some outlet cables. I also decided to go with this because it has a Bowens mount, so I'm glad I got this, because I know, again, this is my first big boy light. I know a lot of lights use the Bowens mount, so that's why I decided to go with this one instead of any other one. There's a name for this, but I don't know. Check it out. Got the little dome. Hey, good quality. I don't know if I'll ever use it. It says mini buy. Don't know what that means. Again, still new to this, but yeah, pretty cool. You got a little diffusion for the little thing, I don't know what it's called, and a mounting accessory for the light itself. Put this bag to the side. Nothing necessary, just what you need. All right, now let's take the light off the bag. It has this cover on it. It does tell you to take it off before you use it, but everything about this light feels solid. I mean, it's not cheap feeling. It's like actual metal, so again, it's solid. For the price, I can't complain. And trust me, build quality matters when it's something you're gonna use every day. The buttons feel good and responsive. Ventilation, you can see the fan in there and everything too. So that's good to have, especially for longer filming days. I'd say the mounts position is pretty good too. As you can see, it has like a knob for you to turn it from the side. So I went ahead and plugged it in, but I did notice, if you guys do purchase this and you're trying to figure out why isn't this coming off, there's a tab up here. Pull that down, twist, and then pop out. I went ahead and put it on a stand, one of the cheap umbrella stands that I was talking about earlier. You can see 2 indentions here under the light and on the grip for the light. So that is gonna help it keep it secured once it's on there. So let's put that on. Damn, am I done? Does have mode. It has set, so I'm not sure. I really should have read the manual for unboxing this, but we're gonna learn as we go. So set, port for the outlet. It has Bluetooth and on and off. Oh, and it also has a screen at the top. Let's put her on. Oh, damn. So I'm not gonna lie, it's bright, and this is just 50%. I do have a reflector right there, so I wonder if you could see more light coming from this side. So the screen is showing 50% at 5600 Kelvin. I think that's the only Kelvin this light shoots at. This is already 10 times better than the 4 light bulb situation and 1,000,000 times better than the umbrella. And there's nothing even attached. So just being able to control the brightness, the best thing ever. I ain't gonna lie, you really gotta turn for it to go down, and it goes all the way to 2%. So 2% right now, so you can kind of see again, this is just the light bouncing off of a reflector. Sorry, I'm looking at myself in the monitor, but key light over here, reflector over there. Let me take it off real quick. This is nothing, and this is 2%. So we're just gonna steadily go up. Just watch my arm. It's not even facing me, just bouncing off the reflector, and it's already brighter than my key light that's actually facing me. And it's only at 56%. Okay, we're gonna go to 100 and see what happens. Okay, this is 100, insane. Again, look how, just look at the light right here. I'm sure this is super blown out because the camera's so far from me, and again, bouncing off my face from a reflector. You can see the shadow, everything, insane. All right, let's take this off because I'm gonna go blind. Like I said, this is gonna be my main key light, so I wanna have it at like a 45-degree angle facing me, and at least now I can pair it with my other lights as a fill light on the other side and push it a little further away so it's not as harsh and just two bright lights beaming on me. But by itself though, I see this definitely being far better than anything else I've ever owned. On top of also getting the MS60, I picked up the octagonal quick release softbox with a grid, so we're gonna pair that up and see how it looks. I'm not gonna lie, I'm real excited. I debate again in the lantern, but I think I saw people say the grid is better, so we're gonna test it out and see. But stay tuned for that video because that's coming up later. One thing I noticed after getting this light is that they have two other lights, and it's the B and the C. The B has, you can change the color temperature, and the C is full RGB. I'm strongly debating getting the C, but the only reason I didn't get that, one, I didn't know it existed, but two, I'm debating keeping this one only because this is my key light. So for that, I'm really just focused on clean, natural skin tone, not effects. But I'm not gonna lie, it'll be nice to have. And in case I do want to do more of a moody scene, that would be good to have. And even then, if I decide to upgrade to something else, at least I have that one as more of like a fill light or like a hair light or something with some color or anything I plan on doing in the future. So I'm gonna test this for a while, see if I do want to get the C, and I'll go from there. I do use Wiz light bulbs as a hair light, so that's kind of what you see right here now. We'll see. Do I just upgrade to the C with the RGB, or do I just keep it with the one temperature? But other than that, strong output for its size, good quality build, and it's pretty easy to use. I think it's gonna be a great key light for me compared to what I have already. You're definitely going to need diffusion if you want softer light and more even light too. If you've gone from the umbrella lights, this is definitely a step up. Overall, I think I'm going to be pretty happy with this key light. I plan on using this for more of my content, so if you guys want more of a long-term review, let me know in the comments. If you're thinking about upgrading your lighting or even just learning more about this, I hope this video helped. Make sure and hit that like button, and if you like these videos, make sure and subscribe. Leave me some kind words in the comments and let me know what else you guys want to see. But other than that, I'm gonna catch you guys in this video. Peace.